I just tried getting myself out of monetization jail by using the beta remove music feature in YouTube. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This video behind me actually got flagged and had a copyright strike or claim against it. And that's because I actually used one of Cardi B's songs to test out this little speaker that I did a review on. Now, what that did is it just gave me a notification now, even though I did this video a while back. So it took them a while to, I guess, match it up and so on to claim it. But YouTube Studio now has a feature that's called Remove Music, and it's in beta, apparently. And what it tries to do is just remove the music. Now, what's interesting about this is that I'm actually talking over the music. So I wanted to try it out and show you my results. First, let me show you the infringing clip.
Looky there.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000.
I can tell you right now, they're working. I'm not getting any errors.
So when you get a notice of a strike, you can actually log into your YouTube Studio and go into an editor, and it will show you the duration of time that the clip is infringing. And then you can go and select a few different options. So I selected mute song, which is apparently in beta, but you can just trim out that section or replace it with some of the free music that they have in the YouTube Studio. So I selected mute song.
Well, looky there. Well, looky there.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000.
I can tell you right now, they're working. All right. So I can tell you right now, they're working. I'm not getting any errors. I'm on the latest iOS here, so no compatibility issues. Totally works, plug and play instantly. I'm not getting any errors. I'm on the latest iOS here, so no compatibility issues.
So that was my first time
totally
using
works, plug
the
and play
music
instantly.
feature, and I actually thought it worked pretty well. You know, obviously my voice, the audio that it was picking up of me speaking, sounds kind of muffled, garbled a little bit, but it's a pretty nice feature for not having to go ahead and do massive surgery to an old video. And obviously it kind of removes a little bit of the point, especially when you're trying to listen to music or assess audio quality. But if it's something that means, one, maybe you can monetize the video again, strike or something that's really going to put you in the penalty box, it's nice to have that option. So the remove music beta feature, that's what you can expect. Peter Von Panda, out.